Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Capcut on iPhone and Android. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on App Store. Okay, tap on search bar, then search on Capcut. Okay, just click, then this app and show, then download this app my phone. Just click this option and download, then update here. That's all. Just normally tap on App Store, click on server, search on Capcut. That's all. Download this Capcut app. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.